So now we're moving on to the main part of the lesson. Now if we go back, the learning intention was to share equally. We need to think about what the total number is, how many groups and how many in each group. So, looking at this question, share 8 beanbags between the 2 hoops. Now, the total number is 8 because that's how many beanbags we've got to share. So the total number we've worked out. So we've answered this question. How many groups are there? Looking, we've got 2 groups. When we share, we always share equally. So rather than putting lots of them in here and then lots in here, we do 1 each. So we've got the beanbags and we've got the colours. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I know a lot of people, a lot of the children, when they are doing the sharing, they put 8 in one and 8 in the other in this instance. It's making sure that we are only going up to the total number. So in this case it's 8, and then we're giving 1 each, because that means you are sharing them equally. So then we work out how many are in each group, and there is 4. So if we were to write that as a number sentence, 8 into 2 groups equals 4. So that's the total number. This is the number of groups. This is the number of how many are in each group. So now I've showed you an example. I want you to have a go at this yourself. It says shares 12 beanbags between the 3 hoops. So maybe on a piece of paper, you can either draw little beanbags, or you can draw dots, or you can use some resources that you may have at home, whether it be raisins or anything like that at all. Can you share these beanbags between 3 hoops and write the division sentence for me? So work out this, draw it. Remember, how do we share equally? How many groups are there? So how many are going to be in each group? And can you write the division sentence for me? When writing the division sentence, which number goes first? Have a go now.